Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here again to watch my video, and today I want to show you all my Pikachu 3D perlers, including this one that I'm gonna show you how to build this one, so stay tuned. And before anything we're gonna start, I want to ask you to make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell so you get more new videos like this. And also, if you can, like and share my videos so more of your friends and other people can see it as well. And thank you so much for being here today. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. So first out, we're gonna look at the biggest one, which is this one. This is the Detective Pikachu. So looking really awesome. I especially love the tail because it's so big, you can see. And then he's holding a Pokeball. Yeah, I love this one so much. I made a mini one for my friend and she loves it. Like, I'm thinking to make a mini one too so I can carry him around. Oh, so cute. And then let's come into this one. This one is a sleepy Pikachu. Look at, he's sleeping. And he also has a super big tail. And then he's drooling too. So you can see how detailed it is. Most of these, I think I took 3 hours to build them, I think. And I used a lot of yellow beads. So I think I used up 6,000 beads. Yellow color bag for these two. I think I even used more. I can't remember already, but I remember I used it up, so I have to review. And then so let's come into this one. This one I found on Pinterest, but it doesn't look like this. So maybe if you love Pinterest and you have seen it before, this is so cute and I have to make it because originally with that face, I didn't really like it, but I figured out I can change it. So that's what I did. It's looking super cute and it's smaller. It also used up a lot of yellow beads, but you know, it's totally worth it. A smaller tail, look at that. Yep. All right, so let's coming to next. We're gonna talk about the Pokeball later. All right, let's coming to my jelly blocks. Look at how cute they are. So these are called the jelly blocks. So you might have seen them before on my IG post. These came from some other design that I've found. But they don't look like this. So I was like, I want to transform them to Pikachu. So these are my designs of the Pikachu. So this one is the happy Pikachu, and then this is the detective Pikachu. And this one has the Pokeball on the top. And actually you can detach it like this, but sometimes the centerpiece doesn't come out. So the purpose is that you can change it to something else instead of the Pokeball. So it's removable. So then this one is a detective Pikachu. But then what I like about it is I can detach the head and then change it to something else. So also this one has the slot to remove like accessory or like another head or like a Pokeball on the top. So these will become available on my Etsy store soon. So make sure you check out the link in the description to favor my shop. So once they become available, you can check them out or purchase them and support a small business. All right. So these are the Pokeballs. I have the tutorial on my channel and also on my IG. You can also change the top part to add like a little keychain, so they're super cute. But if you don't want to make the bee, you just want to purchase them, they're also available now on my Etsy store. You can make like a keychain. You can I have the build kit, so you don't actually get this one, you get the pieces to put it together, and I will have the instruction that comes with it. And you can also watch my video how to build this one. So looking awesome, right? 2 colors to choose from. All right, so this one, it's just for fun. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. Because a lot of time, like, we don't realize, but we lose we forgot what page we're on a book, or we're reading something, or we just want to, you know, put it in between something, but we don't have that right now. We don't really go by a bookmark. So this is a Pikachu bookmark that you can make for your own. Maybe there's other tools that you can use it for, but this one is just so cute. Maybe I'll do a tutorial later, but I just want to show you guys this is something that I made recently and I really like it. All right, so last but not least is the Pikachu Donut. Look at that, so cute, right? So I found this picture of this one and I was like, I need to make this, but I don't have the pattern. But somehow I figured out how to do it. So here that is. And then the one I saw, I think they kind of glued the Pokeball on it, but I don't really like gluing. So I just made it so it's, you know, removable. You can detach it. So super cute. So let me put it back on. So this one, I really like it. And I'm going to share with you how to make it. So stay tuned. And so make sure if you like my video, please give me a like, comment, and share with your friends. So, all right, let's get started. Okay. This is the base piece. Okay. So you can see I already have the keychain because I don't want to remove it. And then this is the connector with all the pieces. So you can see here, just simply put it in here. And then we're going to add the layers. So this is going to be the fourth layer. So simply place it onto the top. And then the next layer is this one. So also insert it to the top. Now comes to this piece, second layer. So we're gonna build the last layer later. Let's build the base. So this one will be the base. So we go to the bottom and simply it fits perfect. So ta-da! Okay, so the second base piece is this. Ta-da! And then the last base piece is this one. So, got it? Okay, so now we can add the front piece. This is the front piece. Alright, so now with the base, it's more stable. And let's build the side. So let's come with all the side pieces. First one, second one, and last one. Okay, so let's come to the side. It looks very complicated, but actually it's very easy to put in. So go this way and place it on here. It's like a puzzle. So you just slowly insert it inside. See? And then the second one here. So it gives the levels to this donut, right? This is the last piece. Oh, the other way. Okay, so we got one side done. Let's work on the other side. So like this. Go to the side and let's see. Okay. So the long length is towards to the top of the piece. So let's go in. Sometimes do it very carefully because when you do like this, it might break the piece a little bit. Then you have to fix that piece. Second piece. Oops. Yep. Always play around like a puzzle. Have fun with it. No rush. And then the last one. Yay, make sure they balance. See, sometimes it has a little gap, then I will switch the pieces. But here, it's okay. Alright, now it comes to the last two pieces. The Pokeball. And how they attach this one. So these are very tight enough that I made so I can simply put it there and it is not loose. And then adding the Pokeball onto the top. That's how you make it. Yay! So now you have this, right? It's so easy to build. It takes like maybe 2 minutes. So it's really quick, except like building the pieces take a little while. But this one is very easy and it's super cute. I love it. You can give it to your friends. You can keep it for yourself, put it on a backpack, keychain, anything. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and then comment, let me know what you think, and then subscribe because I have more amazing videos coming up for you. Alright, see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!